Finally, we got Billy in for his welding, and we have an MOT at last.
Ah, for kitchen drawer. Oh, that's really cool.
So here I am drilling holes for the cabinets, both the kitchen ones and also the wall cabinets. Use all the same hinges. No, on Sunday they're not going to hold up.
Oh no! How come? Oh no! Well, you just have to hold it, you know? At least they show slow close. Busy, busy, busy painter. I'm the painter today. And you're the carpenter today. I'm putting on the first coat of the wall colour, which I can't remember what it is called. It's kind of like a...
It's a creamy colour, isn't it?
Creamy colour, not white. We're going to see what we're going to do here. Let's get some of this roll up. You're going to see the difference. This is acrylic durable eggshell in duck egg blue, which is for the cupboard fronts, all the cupboard fronts and the bench seating area fronts. So we're having a bit of combo. Oh, the ones that I've put on the wall, that colour is tan jello cream. Oh yes, that looks beautiful. That is exactly what I had in mind. That is beautiful. This is a workshop on weekends. And I mean, I've never seen so much wood. As you can probably guess, our neighbours love us right now. Every weekend we're out here. All this mess and all this noise. Just painting a deck chair. Well, this is the wardrobe / cupboard door. I've already done 2 coats of the primer this morning. This is drying really quickly actually. Like, this is an acrylic paint, isn't it? Yeah. And so it seems to dry really quickly. When I then try and go back over, it's almost taking it back off again. And this is one of the things, I saw it and I was like so happy about it. Does anyone know what it is? Yes? Okay. This is a boot tray. And I thought this is perfect. Colin had no idea what I was talking about. He's made the bench seat and look. Now this was where he didn't know what size this was. It can go further in. And it's made to measure. How perfect's that? Yeah, it's super cool. So then, you know, if it gets dirty, you just take it out and wash it. Cab, I've lined it. I think I've done a pretty good job actually. Look at that. That's looking cool.
So next I'm just making panels for the back doors so that Jane can line them.
And then you so that's the front there. But I've got the hole which is for the door handle to cut now.
And here's the final result with some curtains as well. I think Jane's done an amazing job with those. Next time Billy throws another spanner in the works.
Why is nothing ever straightforward, eh?
Thanks for watching the video, and please remember to leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up, and if you enjoyed it, please subscribe as well. It would mean the world to us. So thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.